Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block ads on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, we could open our settings application on our Android phone. And after we have our settings application opened, we can click on this connection setting and click on more connection settings. And here we have to select private DNS. Okay, and we will have three options. We can choose off, automatic, and private DNS provider host name. And if you want to block ads on your Android phone, you have to select this one. And you have to input this dns.adguard.com. Make sure that you input this text to the private DNS provider host name. And then you're going to click on save to save this setting. Okay, and after that, all of the ads on your Android phone will be blocked. And I hope this trick will work on your phone, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can block ads on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.